Can the MacBook Pro 2015 survive in 2026? Here's the honest truth.
Enemy spotted.
This is a MacBook Pro 2015. It comes in 8GB and 16GB of RAM. Don't even think of buying the 8GB. Nah, I wouldn't advise you do that. But go for the 16GB of RAM if you're serious. If you're very serious. No, for normal use, browsing, typing, office work, it still works fine. No problem there. Music production? If you're using GarageBand only, it's manageable. But once you add external plugins, the fans start screaming, ooh! Or when it comes to Blender, animations, oh dear, you're just gonna... Video editing, honestly, if you try CapCut can still give you some little, should I say, work in progress. The moment you try DaVinci Resolve, you're just gonna hang in.
Denied.
Funny enough, this video you're watching was edited on the same MacBook Pro using CapCut. What? I'll save you the gist for later. But here's what most people won't tell you, not even Apple wants you to know about it. macOS is actually what's limiting this laptop, like this very beautiful beast.
Bruh.
Yet only the operating system, the default operating system actually limiting it. Anyways, now the gist. I installed Windows 10 on mine and everything changed, like really changed. Editing became smoother, less lag, more flexibility. Yes. But the battery drains faster. But performance is better. You'd hardly notice any lag. Truth be told, even installing Windows wasn't straightforward because when I got mine, I never knew it was actually firmware locked. I had to fix it at Computer Village. It cost me 20,000 naira. So basically what I use the macOS for, because it's actually on dual button. What I use the macOS for, I use it for church live streams and audio works like Audacity, most importantly. But for editing and heavier tasks, Windows, no question. So, can the MacBook Pro 2015 survive in 2026? Yes. But with Windows, let me stress that, with Windows. Without it, it struggles.